So I'll spend a little bit of time talking about the Vlocr software. This is the software that runs on the mobile device in the podlock and ties together all the data on the back-end portal. You can see exactly how many devices are missing and available at any given time. And then we provide a very simple mechanism to configure each of the devices. That's either via a barcode. So if you've got a single device to configure, you scan the barcode on the screen. Or if you're doing a large deployment, you can actually download the JSON file and deploy that through your MDM along with the APK. So that might be 42 gears, for example, where you push the APK in the JSON file down to your 1,000 units. Using BLE beaconing and GPS, we can also track the location of mobile devices. So once you're logged in, we can see where devices are located throughout the warehouse. If you're a driving operation, we can see those devices once they're out on the road. If you're a reseller of Vlocr, we provide a customer summary screen for you. So you can see all of your customers at a glance, how many devices they've got deployed, and how many of those licenses they're using. So you can help your customers proactively manage their equipment in the field. In the Vlocr portal, there's a range of administration screens. You can add, remove, and edit users, and also the same for locations. Each company can have one or more locations, and each of those locations can have sub-locations. So the system's very flexible. If you're a company that's got, let's say, 6 sites throughout the UK, then your London office might have 3 or 4 different warehouses with subdivisions within those warehouses. All of those locations can be configured on the system, and then the settings for each of those sub-locations deployed individually. The Vlocr software can be configured to send alerts via email or text. And how you typically do this is through the portal. And you can see here we're configuring, in this instance, a shift duration. So where that might be of use is, let's say you've got your shift configured for 8 hours. I would take a device out at 8 o'clock in the morning. If the device is not back within that 8-hour period, let's say an hour and 8.5 hours, the system will then send an email alert to the supervisor to say, Jacob took this device at 8 in the morning, he's exceeded his shift time, and the device is not back yet. Let's go find out where the device is.